Meenakshi madam. Now I invite Dr. Shruti Khandelwal to invite Dr. Dinesh Thapre for his speech.
Dinesh, Dr. Dinesh,
Yes, I am there.
over to you for your next topic, safe and hygienic food.
Yes, thank you. Is the slide visible? Is the slide visible?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So thank you, Shruti. I just want to tell something about Indian Medical Association Food Safety Initiative. This is the initiative of IMA headquarters. The logo you are seeing here is designed by me at Bhagyashree Computers. This slogan is articulated by me: food safety, a right, a responsibility. And our topic today is a safe and hygienic food. As you all are doctors, you know most of the things about this. And some of you may be remembering that last year, the central government has commenced a Lahu Yatra, Swasth Bharat Yatra all over India. And at that time, I have prepared this PPT for the food safety initiative of IMA. This PPT was then shared with the central government, and they used it all over India during the Yatra. So there are three parts of this public awareness campaign. Part 1 is a challenge, that is incorrect eating habits, incorrect selection of eatables. They are causing non-communicable diseases, various other diseases, infection diseases because of unhygienic conditions. And this is the data: diabetes and cardiovascular diseases and cancers occurring because of incorrect, unhealthy diet, and again physical inactivity. They are the leading causes of non-communicable diseases. And most important is that 80% of these diseases are preventable. This waist circumference, mean male should be less than 90 centimeters and women less than 80 centimeters. And these are diet tips, most of which you know about. That consume less salt, avoid pickles, chutney, sausage, ketchup, papads, etc. Then restrict all forms of sugar, no fried food, fresh lime water, avoid eating fast or junk foods, eat fruits instead of snacks, use mixture of oil, etc. And again, ghee, vanaspati, margarine, butter, coconut oil, they are harmful. Again, in non-vegetarian, take more fish, chicken, usually roasted, not fried, and red meat to consume in small quantities and very less frequently. And something about nuts, which protects heart and improve blood lipid profile. You know about LDL, cholesterol. Nuts and fruit seeds are excellent source of omega fatty acid and alpha linoleic acid, antioxidants, that it should be consumed. But excessive consumption may lead to the weight gain. Again, for hypertensive patients, no extra salt. If overweight, avoid dried foods, fried foods, etc. Poultry without skin are better, and you should take only adequate calories. Then again, there are some lists about what to take, what to not take, especially for cardiovascular diseases. Say yes to wheat, rice, ragi, no to cakes, yes to vegetables, no to fried vegetables, and yes to low fat milk, no to cheese, butter, yes to egg white, no to egg yolk, etc. Vegetable I should be yes, and then no to oily dishes, fried foods, ghees, etc. No to sweets, chocolates. As a doctor, we know all these things, but just a revision and to pass on the message to our patients. What our body needs to be healthy, which food atom provides which nutrient. That also most of us we know that macronutrients and micronutrients. Like animal sources, milk, meat, eggs, cheese, fish. Then vegetable sources, pulses, cereals, beans, etc. Then for fats, ghee, butter, milk, cheese, cod liver oil. And vegetable sources for fats are groundnut, mustard, sesame, coconut, etc. Other sources of invisible fat that we don't know that there is a fat in that, but it is there. That is cereals, pulses, nuts, vegetables, and actually these invisible fats are sufficient for body. Therefore, there is no need of additional oil in cooked meals, and no to vanaspati and ghee. Again, trans fat, everybody knows that you should be big no to the trans fat. And how to identify that? It is written like label, partially hydrogenated oil. It is written in the label of the cans we purchase. So we have to look after it. Then all of you know carbohydrates sources. What are they? Starch, sugar, cellulose. From where we get from what are vitamin, fat soluble vitamins, water soluble vitamins, and why they are needed. Again, where we get vitamin A, where we get fortified sources also, but no vanaspati. Vitamin D, the cheapest source, sunlight, and food in foods of animal origin, like liver, egg yolk. And most important is fortified foods for vitamin D. Vitamin E, then vitamin K, cow's milk, fruits, intestinal bacteria. Vitamin B1, all these are sources. Vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, vitamin folate. This is important because most of the time vitamin B12 and vitamin folate are found less in the bloods of even a well-to-do person. When he meets you, he is a very well-to-do healthy person, but when we test vitamin B12, it is low. So we have to specifically look for vitamin B12. There are sources. Vitamin C, everybody knows. For doctors, this is just a revision because it is for public awareness, and I will request you to pass on this message to the public, and that is your patients. Sources of iron. In all, you can see that egg is a very good source of all the things, but it is being treated as a non-vegetarian, so most of the people don't like to have eggs, but eggs are very good source of nearly all the things. Then antioxidants, vegetable, fruits, legumes, tea, wine, cereals. You can get antioxidants here. In balanced diets, fat intake should be 10 to 30%, protein intake should be 10 to 15%, and remaining part should be rich in natural fibers. And salt intake should be less than 5 grams per day, which is, I think, hardly food. Restrict refined carbohydrates, restrict food rich in energy like fats, alcohols. Of course, restrict junk foods. Diet should be adapted to special needs like pregnancy. Okay. This is balanced diet. This is the percentage of protein, vegetable, fruits, grains, and dairy you should have in every meal, lunch and dinner. So stop eating crap, that is carbonated drinks, refined sugars, artificial foods, processed foods. Now this was the public awareness campaign part 2, and it included to spread precautions what the public should take, like no overcooking, etc., no repeat freezing and thawing, and maintenance of quality, safety, and suitability of the food is not of only the consumers, but each and every person who handles the food. That was the idea behind. Good hygienic practices, doctors know it very well, and we have to pass on, like brushing teeth, regular bathing, etc. Personal hygiene, everybody knows the importance. Before entering the kitchen, what should you do? Keep your personal belongings away. Wear apron, gloves, and head cover. Wash your hands. Wear clean and covered shoes, etc. When to wash your hands? How to wash your hands? Then this was part 3 of public awareness campaign for safe and hygiene food. Food preparation area should be clean and well maintained. No wire electrical fitting hanging from the ceiling. Proper hand washing facility in the food preparation area. And receive the food items in clean container, etc. Use separate containers for veg, non-veg, raw food, etc. How to handle safety? Now, how to transport the food? Vehicle transportation being used to carry cooked, prepared, and processed food should be kept clean. That we have idea that how food should be transported. Then again, serving area, the same principles of maintaining hygiene, clean every day like that, and all surfaces should be smooth to avoid contamination. Drains cleaning, regular drains cleaning, pre-cleaning of plates and utensils, how to do pre-cleaning, wash and rinse, and most important is air dry. How to do waste disposal, different dustbins for food and non-food waste, garbage to dispose every day, clean and sanitize dustbins regularly, do not overfill the dustbin, that is, or regular things. Pest control is important again. Selection of safe food items. Healthy and safe eating begins with the choosing. What food you select for consumption? This is what real food looks, and this is the question to ask. Don't ask why healthy food is so expensive. Ask why junk food is so cheap. It's very important question. Again, yes to fruits, vegetables, and no yes to having clean and intact shells. No to the eggs with dirty and discolored or soiled shell, and eggs that float in water. Yes to pink flesh. No to meat with fibrous flesh. Like that. Then bright and pink flesh of fishes that bounces back when pressed with a finger, and no to fish with a dull sunken eyes. Again, yes to pasteurized, packed, sealed, and no to discolor, stingy, or sour taste. So last slide, that is take home messages. Eat like your life depends on it, because it does. I repeat, eat like your life depends on it, because it does. I'm sorry for being fast, but that was there are time restraint. Thank you. Thank you.
हेलो दिनेश,
हाँ.
तुम ज्ञान के भंडार हो. तुमसे जितनी भी नॉलेज हम लोग लेंगे ना वो कम है. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Dr.
Father.
Dinesh. Thank you. So
Thank you.
here we are towards the end of our today's conference first day. Now I invite Dr. Sonali Shirbhate. Dr. Sonali.
Hello.
Hello. Dr. Sonali Shirbhate.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, please go ahead with last part of our today's first day conference.
Yes. Make the video on. Yes, in this, first of all, I would like to pay the COVID matrix as well as a great salute to COVID warriors. So here, in the important announcement in AVCon 2020 Amravati, it was first day women conference as ma'am had mentioned. So this AVCon carries 2 MMC credit points, and all the delegates, respected delegates, are told to write their MMC number in the YouTube link chat box. Please, you all do this because it is very important. Without that, you will not be able to get the credit certificate. So it's a dire requirement. Please write your MMC number in the chat box. And we have the same beautiful session as tomorrow. And tomorrow, the second day of the conference, we will be having, along with the welcome address by our WDW chairperson, Dr. Jagruti Shah ma'am, Dr. Rafa ma'am, and Dr. Shruti ma'am. Along with that, we will be having address of our Mrs. Namita ma'am. She will be our guest of honor. She is a member of parliament. So you all will be there to hear her. And this will be followed by address of Dr. Archana Patel ma'am in demystifying the enigma. She is a member of MMC Council. Followed by that, there will be exploring the financial world for women. This will be the speaker will be the Nitin Bagli, Dr. Nitin Bagli sir, and this will followed by challenges of womanhood by Dr. Anuradha Ridorkar ma'am. This will be the excellent session for all the women, and this will be followed by the tips and tricks for the healthy skin and hair. That is the most important session. You all have to attend that because we all are very conscious about our all beauty. So please be there tomorrow on time because like today's grand day of day one session, there will be a second day also. Same grand session will be there. And in the closing remark, I would like to say that there was a grand inauguration of today's conference at the hands of Maharashtra State President Dr. Avinash Bhondwe sir, Secretary Dr. Pankaj Bhandakar sir, our Vice President and Convener Dr. Dinesh Thakre sir, our IMA Amravati President Dr. Anil Rohankar sir, our IMA Secretary Dr. Ashish Sabu sir, our WTW chairperson and chairperson for this conference Dr. Jagruti Shah ma'am, and the secretaries Dr. Sunita Dafre ma'am and Dr. Shruti Khandelwal ma'am, and along with that Dr. Nilima Thakre ma'am was the MMC observer. I would like to thank the chairperson. I would like to thank the chairperson of WDW Dr. Sangeeta Kadu ma'am and Secretary Dr. Jyoti Agrawal ma'am. Along with that, Dr. Neeta Biyani ma'am, Dr. Meenakshi ma'am, Dr. Anuradha Pathak ma'am, Dr. Shobha ma'am, I would like to thank, and Dr. Asha Thakre ma'am, as a chairperson, I would like to thank them also. Our intelligent and dynamic guest speaker for today's session was Yashomati Thakur ma'am, a guardian minister, and the Commissioner of Police, Dr. Anita Aarti Singh ma'am. She addressed us about the safety while posting all our posts on social media, as well as